southbound side near the yard snow. Oh, yeah, it looks like a hoppers and racks on the outer track here. Trying to check for the eastbound valley job. I know the 129 slug and the SW900 are doing a little very switching in here from yesterday. Yeah, the rack's blocking my view. That's okay. Yeah, hoppers and other stuff here. There's to the northbound side. No train here. May have left early eastbound or running late, one of the two. Still have my recording on here. Sorry about that. The weather here makes the camera act a little silly or weird at times. I'll have to stomp out here.